Alright guys, I have everything laid out right here on the table. And if you don't know how to shake out the exhaust, it's 112. Well, sometimes there's 212s. And then there's 210s for the header down there. And everything's ready, so let's get installing. Just like that. And it strips, so I'm just gonna zap it on there. Alright guys, the exhaust is on. I'm sorry I didn't record more of putting it on because I was having fucking issues. But that's how it looks. And we also put the little emblem it came with. What do you guys think? So when we're trying to put the springs on, we had to take out the exhaust and then put the springs on while it's out. And then we put it on, and we also had to space out the bracket to the motor because of the mini fatty. It was too close. Look at that fitment. It's like right there. But yep. What do you guys think? This is the Beams Evo R exhaust, titanium. All right, it's gonna be the first startup. Go for it. It sounds super quiet. I think that's a silencer. I'm not sure. That sounds way too quiet. All right, we're gonna give it a couple revs. Warmed up now. Day 2, I took out the silencer. Took me a little while to figure that out, but you had to hit it from take off the muffler and then from the inside hole, bang it out, and it popped out. So let's see how it sounds now. I got it started.